Obviamente, porque se hubiese podido ir con el otro. Se hubiese podido ir con el otro.
No. You don't know about roommates.
No, se hubiese podido ir con el otro roommate, pero el Johnny le dijo, yo me voy a ir contigo. Entonces se vino con él, salió del lugar, ahora va a tener que volver a entrar.
What is that noise? Is he?
Manejadora, huevón. Me fucking cago en la
Habla
puta
español,
verga.
yo lo tengo aquí.
Val, you would
Es
be.
este brother.
Habla español, cállate.
Val,
¿Quién habla español?
Val, you would be angry with me if I left.
Tú no tienes ni verga, bro. Eres este...
Reina, yo
Mira, lo acabo de poner.
You speak Spanish, sir? You speak Spanish?
Sí.
Oh, sí.
Lo acabo
I
de
don't.
poner.
I don't speak. No, what are you doing?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Somebody's farting. Ariana's farting. Ariana! Hey, pero qué ver esta cara.
Sí,
Was
qué
she talking bad about me?
estupidez. Qué funny.
Was
¿Por
she
qué no
talking
le
bad about
reímos
me?
todos?
I don't speak
Sí,
Spanish.
obvio, habla español.
She's talking about you?
Did she say anything about me?
Oh, I don't know, I can't hear.
Oh.
I hear them talking, but I can't understand anything.
Oh. Where are you from?
Ecuador.
Voy a
Ecuador.
verlo todo y voy a ver esto.
Ariana, brother, este es estúpido que está el rey ya.
Literal.
Ya, yo no me voy a reír más. No, tanto la haría más aquí.
Te juro que me quiero en mi casa. ¿Viste Jenkins?
Sí, igual.
Amén.
Este chiquitín es un
Bro,
Este chiquitín va a...
ey, muchos llegan contigo.
No sé,
porque
a
no
su
tengo la
casa.
energía para esto.
John, are you going to Gray Street, right?
What?
You want to walk to Gray Street.
I want to walk? No, we're not walking.
You are walking, I'm staying in my
Oh my god! Yo, that was you, that was you. That was
Guys, you
definitely
guys
you.
actually need to behave.
Oh my
Creo mi
god.
papá piensa que siempre me quedo en los medios.
Te pregunto, ¿dónde estás? A ver. Hola Gabo, ¿cómo estás? Hoy qué plan tienes, ¿era cuarto de sábado te quedas conmigo en la de Carlos Jerez? ¿Dónde los medios? Dile que sí. Dile que
¿Por
sí.
dónde la jefa?
No, dile que
¿Dónde
sí.
la novia?
Ya le dije a mi
O sea, Ari, pusiste tu stop
Ya yo
primero.
le dije a mi mamá.
Está primero, sí.
Ah, ok. Gracias por dejarme comer.
Ah, te dejo con el
Oh my god,
Con el
dude.
John, can you like actually stop?
That's not
It's really disgusting.
It's not me, it's Valerie. Valerie, you gotta stop farting.
Chi, deja de decirle a tu gente que te lo juro que no somos novios.
Puso un story con Majo.
Invítame a un date primero y luego consideras ser tu novio.
Es verdad que bravo. La verdad es que te puedes meter en deta,
No tengo tiempo.
¿Cómo así?
En verdad,
Bueno,
vas a dormir donde Valerie.
No,
No quiero dormir contigo.
Yo no duermo ni con el mío ni con el tuyo.
Erin! Aiden!
Thank you.
Oh my God.
ahí lo conozco.
Ay,
¿Cómo se abre esta
Aiden, that's Aiden, John.
Bye.
How does this door open?
Aiden!
Oh. Thank you.
Good night.
John, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
She put a stop. Stop.
Wow, wait. Are you serious?
She put a stop in Jenkins.
Oh, okay. Jenkins?
No,
It's
that's a stop, right?
it's like right over there.
No, no, it's not.
John. It's literally alone. Like the other way.
This is confusing.
Es del
I think
otro
it's-
lado, es
I should
donde
go
veníamos.
backward.
Yeah, back.
Yeah.
Es donde veníamos.
We could have walked out.
Yeah, well, Ariana paid for it, so we're gonna stay here.
Is there autopilot?
Huh?
Autopilot?
Oh, you sit down. Say again?
Autopilot, it drives by itself?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
But it's not gonna stop where I wanted to stop because I haven't entered the destination on the GPS.
It could take you to the destination
So it
though?
will just, yeah, it will make turns and everything. But the autopilot doesn't know where I'm heading to right now.
Yeah. Also, if you put the destination, it would take you.
Yeah, if I enter the destination, yeah, the car will know. The car will know where to stop, and
Yeah.
you know, will follow the traffic lights and all that stuff.
Is it good though? Does it work good?
Yeah. I constantly get over-the-air updates to make it smarter, better. Over here, right?
Yeah.
¿Me llamaste? Me salió con mi WhatsApp.
Thank you.
All right, guys.
Have a good night, sir.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.